Fit-up area. Firstly, we use a hydraulic fit-up rotator and a travel welding rotator to adjust the misalignment of two sections of the workpiece at this workstation. The fit-up rotator is used to achieve 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 for a single 1.5 meter workpiece, with a total length of no more than 6 meters and a weight of no more than 50 tons. After assembly, the travel rotator is used to move to the next workstation for welding the inner and outer circumferential seams. The inner circumferential seam is welded using a submerged arc welding trolley, and the outer circumferential seam is welded using a gantry welding platform in conjunction with submerged arc welding. After welding is completed, the workpiece is transported to the next workstation by a crane. Assembly line. This production line is equipped with 2 power rotors, 5 idler rotors, and a set of hydraulic fit-up rotors. The 2 power rotors can be linked or controlled separately. 6-meter workpieces are assembled on this production line using hydraulic fit-up rotors and travel rotors to form workpieces ranging from 50 meters to 100 meters in length. During the assembly process, rotors are added according to the length and weight of the workpieces. After the assembly of the workpieces is completed, the inner ring seams are welded using a submerged arc welding cart. Outside CS welding area. This workstation uses 2 power rotors and 5 idler rotors, and 2 power rotors can work together. At this workstation, a gantry welding platform can be used to complete the outer circumferential seam welding of a single workpiece within 100 meters or 2 workpieces within 50 meters. All completed workpieces are then transported to the workpiece storage area by a hydraulic lifting transfer cartage, or directly transported away by SPMT.